Just recently came across the six-figure blueprint system created by guy named TJ Holloway. Been kind of working kind of close-ish with him. Been mostly following him online for the past couple years. Finally seen he had his own program. Gave it a look, and I absolutely love what I see. Also, something had happened with another program that I promote, Instant Cash Paying Business. That program is basically forcing all of the affiliates just to use Stripe. And if you've been around affiliate marketing long enough, you know the issues you sometimes have with Stripe and PayPal. You have to have programs that give you flexibility. And this right here is one of those programs. Plus, the six-figure feeder part of this program is absolutely genius, and it's set up to help the sponsors help the team. I've always in the past I set up rotators. I've tried to send people referrals. I've tried to do all of these things. But the problem is, if you as a sponsor are paying for traffic and your team is not paying for traffic, or your team is just relying on you to send them signups, eventually you go at a deficit, because what happens is you're not getting paid from your traffic because you're sending it to your team. This program eliminates that, because the six-figure feeder, $15 one time to get in, that basically breaks up the payment so you and a sponsor get the same amount of cash. And so it doesn't matter like who brings the person in, you're getting the same cut. So even if your team is not doing their own traffic and you're sending them referrals, you as a leader can still recoup your traffic payment, and hopefully that'll encourage your team to duplicate. But regardless, aside from all that, the products are absolutely amazing. TJ done a really great job of putting the system together. He's actually, I got in close contact with him. He's asking me my different opinions about different products and things like that. So just wanted to share that little bit. The six-figure feeder product is great. The what I really absolutely fell in love with the $300 product, the six-figure video library. And what TJ has done was took everything that he has done in the past for lead generation and put it into a product. So it's not just your replicated PLR type products. It's how to generate leads. He talks about his roadside signs. He talks about drop cards. Um, in the past, there's something called guerrilla marketing, and he has a few of those types of strategies. And it's just a way to generate leads to your capture pages so you can get paid. That's non-traditional. And I'm always open to find different ways of generating leads. And if you know how to generate leads in affiliate marketing, that's it. That's how I came up with my broke person's traffic plan. Basically, my stuff was mostly online. I did a little bit of the drop cards. I never done the bandit signs, though. That's something that I need to get hot on. But once I got that broke person's traffic plan down, I was able to help myself, and I was able to help some people on my team who actually listens and follows the instructions to do it. But that's what TJ has done here. That Tripwire, his six-figure feeder product, is absolutely amazing, and I'm a huge, huge, huge fan of it. Also, the flexibility. You don't have to use Stripe. You can use Cash App, Zelle, Venmo, and plus there's different levels here too. But that six-figure feeder is like the perfect Tripwire offer. Everything in here self-contained. If you're looking for something that's easy, that's quick, that's fresh, that's not saturated, that's virtually hardly anyone's talking about this on YouTube, my six-figure feeder, six-figure blueprint, the Resellers Club, this is the program you want to get into. So for 2023. As always, if you are following me on YouTube, I'm going to have a link to my six-figure feeder below this video. I'm also going to be incorporating this into my whole perpetual traffic plan. So if you're following me and if you're following that, it's just replacing a certain group of programs, and we're just sliding this one on in, and we're just keeping it moving the same as usual. So that being said, links are below the video. Stay tuned for much more content about my six-figure feeder. Also, these right here are my stats just for today. Haven't earned anything today yet, but we come here to the leader board whenever my country bumpkin Wi-Fi decides to load. Last 7 days, yours truly. Last 30 days, yours truly. So I'm getting up there.